Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you a indicator that I found, quite interesting one. Let's go to the website. It's called Soho.id Indonesia, right? There's this guy by the name of Rafi. He posted this indicator, with the source code MQ4. Can someone make a EA from this indicator? Time frame 15 minutes, pound dollar. No stop loss, no profit. Buy and sell with the change of the arrow. Okay, and thanks. Then he replied and he said, I think time frame 5 minutes is better with this indicator. Okay, so I went ahead and downloaded this indicator, and then I created a folder called Soho, and I put this indicator in this folder, right? And when I take a look at this indicator, right, because it has source code, and then it's actually coming from this, this website, FX Pro System. So I went to this FX Pro System to search for this indicator. The recommended time frame is actually 1 hour. Okay, just to take note. So today, what I'm going to do is test this indicator in using the EA that we have called GenericEA. Then we load this GenericEA with the indicator and see whether configure the indicator, of course, configure EA, of course, to the requirement by Rafi and see whether it is profitable. So let's go to the strategy tester. And 5 minutes. We set one lot size, and the buffer is according to here. Let's go back. Let's go back to here. We load this indicator, right? And then let's save the template first to StepMA. Okay, we have the indicator, right? Let's remove the strategy tester. So what happened is find out the buffer, right? Before we start. So you look at this, right? This is a buffer for this indicator. When I mouse over the buy arrow, right? Value 4, look at here. Value 4 actually has got value, right? And then when I mouse over the down arrow, value 5 appeared, right? Value 5. So what is the buffer number for this up and down arrow? So the buffer always starts with 0, remember? 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 and 4, buffer 3 and 4 is actually value 4 and 5. So look at value 4, Value 4 is actually buffer 3. And value 5, which is a down arrow, it is buffer 4. So because of this, right, when we set up the EA, the path will be Soho StepMA NMC version 3.01. Okay, and then the buffer position here, 3 for up and 4 for down. And you have this closed candle, right? What does closed candle means? Okay, let me just go through here again. Right, it's already running. So this is a running candle. This is a closed candle. And there is a parameter called previous close. Let's take a look. Closed candle, running candle, and previous closed candle. Previous closed candle means, sometimes when this is a running candle, this is a closed candle, but the indicator signal doesn't appear until the previous closed candle. When the indicator doesn't appear until this candle is closed. So there is one candle lagging, right? So especially when you're doing the crossing of 2 MA or whatever, then of course you have to have 3 candles to determine whether the indicator will be displayed or not. So therefore, there is a previous closed candle used to determine whether the arrow will appear, right? So because of this, instead of running candle, you use a Instead of closed candle, use previous candle. So in this case, we don't use previous closed candle. We use the closed candle will do, right? So this is closed candle. And then maximum buy and sell trade allowed is only one, right? You only can open one trade at a time. And this is what Mr. Rafi wanted, right? Close before opening new trade. So you have to close a buy trade, then you open a sell trade. If there's a sell trade, you have to close the sell trade before you open a buy trade, right? And no need to set take profit and stop loss according to the post that he has, right? The risk to reward ratio is no longer matter because now here you do the money management, right? The closing position, and no trailing stop. Okay, this is the setting, right? This is basically a setting. Right, so let's go to the strategy tester now and do the same for the EA. Reset. Three, four. Okay, close before opening a new trade. So that's it. That's all. Okay, this is a setting for EA. Let's run using the visual mode on 5 minutes, yeah, because say funny is it 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes is better, right? So let's test on 5 minutes. We run a very short time duration to make sure that the indicator, the up and down buffer is set up correctly. Yeah. Okay. You can see the buy position is closed, right, before a sell position is open. Let's confirm. There's a sell, you close first, then you do a buy, and then you close first, then you do a sell, which is a sell. Yeah, and then let's see whether the sell position will close before the next buy. Okay, there you go. Before this buy position is open, right, the sell position is closed. Then the buy happened. So this is a sell, right? Before the buy is open, the sell is closed, and it's a losing trade, yeah. And then this sell position is open. All right. So with this, we know that the indicator is the EA is set up correctly to get the signal from the indicator. Then we will go ahead and test a longer time frame. Right. So let's pick a longer one. January 1st January 2024 to end of May. Not use the visual mode anymore. I'm going to run this and see whether it is profitable. Okay. Let's go. So it is quite a lot of difference. So let me keep this screen on and maybe fast forward to see the entire test. Yeah, from basically there are 5 months of data to test. Yeah, so you'll keep it running, and then I will come back again, fast forward, and I come back again to discuss the result. Yeah. Okay. The testing has stopped. We take a look at the report. The data is 99.9% accuracy. If you want to know how to download quality data, there are a lot of videos in YouTube that you can go and watch. Okay, so it's very important that we have a very good quality data before we do any back test. It's very obvious that this is a losing indicators using the money management strategy that Rafi suggested. Yeah, buy and close without take profit and loss, take profit and stop loss, using the arrow signal to enter position. Yeah, so I don't have to go through this again. Yeah, this is obviously a non-profitable indicator using that strategy, right? And one thing I forget to mention, right, is before the testing start, I use a spread of 2, right? This is not 2 pips, this is 0.2 pips, right? What it means is I'm actually testing on the ECN account. There's a commission, but the spread is very low. You know that some broker, promise a 0 spread for ECN account, but when you take a closer look, right, sometimes it's 0.1 or 0.2 or maybe 0.5, right? So what I'm trying to say is I am assuming that the indicator on this EA will run on a ECN account, right? So therefore I have this kind of spread of 0.2 pips. So very clear. The testing using this indicator on our EA is not profitable, right? Stay tuned for part 2. I do some tweak, and you will see that there is a lot of difference. Yeah, okay. I'll see you in part 2.